Nobody knows why it happens, but when you make strange noises here, seabirds fall from the sky. I'm on Lord Howe Island, a tiny speck of land 300 miles off the east coast of Australia. Human beings only got here a little over 200 years ago, and it seems that the birds that nest here are still quite curious to see what's going on. And these birds, which are coming to these calls, are Providence petrels. Skilled in the air they may be, but they're certainly clumsy and ungainly on land. And when they do come down, they squabble and wrestle furiously with one another. Perhaps they're arguing about who should have which patch for a nest hole. But they are still extraordinarily friendly towards human beings. And amazingly, very touchingly, it'll stay here on my hand in a very trusting way. That gives me a chance to look at this structure at the base of his beak. He has a tube nose, and that structure, which he shares with a number of other ocean-going birds, is absolutely crucial to their survival out on the open ocean. And that is where he's going to go right now.